This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3618 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Rimini Decor, Calypso Maple Glazed Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, Colorado Detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, slide-out, stove top burner, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, leveling jacks, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3618 is built on a Ford F-53 26000 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.